welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a BB gun fight. Yeah, right, so the rules are we have to what are the rules? And I know them, trust me guys.
We have to shoot each other, and whoever gets shot first loses, and the other guy who didn't get shot wins.
Yeah, so, and if I didn't say already, this guy over here is Ben. Say hi.
Hello.
Here we go. I need to hold my camera steady. Right, so, and, shit, right, and, so, let's get into this, right. I'm gonna go over there, I'm gonna go over there. This is a campsite, by the way. I'm gonna go over there, and you are gonna stay here.
Okay.
Okay, bye. See you in a minute. So guys, where's it more? Yeah, let's go. Okay, guys, we gotta go somewhere else because this is where cars come down. So yeah, let's go somewhere else. Oh, this is a different video, isn't it? Where are we going, Dewey? Okay. Right, so, guys, let's do it. I'm going to change to my left hand because, like, I'm shooting with my right. This, like, first person shooter. Yeah. Shit. Guys, this first person shooter right here. Where are you, you mother trucker? There you are. See your feet? Right, so guys, hold on. Right, so guys, just a little thingy. Like, if cars or people come, like, round here, we're gonna have to pause the video. So, if you're wondering, oh, what happened? Like, why had to cut out or whatever?
Oh my God!
That's why.
Shut up, Harry. Just shut up. Ah!
Where is he? There he is, guys. We're gonna go down there. Oh shit, someone left there, didn't he? Here you are. If this round lasts quick, we're gonna do another round.
No, I shot you dead.
Swimming. Oh, I need a cook. He's playing COD style, guys. Look at this guy. They all missed. Shit. Whew. Just go around there. Almost out, but play on. I got about like 6. They didn't hurt at all. He didn't actually hit me. Shit! Run! 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 Yeah? Ooh, shit. Fuck you, fly. You didn't? Fuck off, fly. No. Oh! No. That's definitely gonna protect you. Swerving naked. I got about like 3. I got 1 left. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, no, I shot you.
Megs me instead. Oh.
I've got 4 balls.
I what? I've none. Shit! Oh. Smile for the camera.
1 bullet left.
I got none.
1 in the chamber.
Psych. Okay. Guys, no bullets. No bullets. Right, guys, this is a bullet break.
Bullet?
Right, so guys, he didn't actually run out of bullets. I thought you did. I think you shot it over there.
So, no, guys.
Well, yeah, don't get too close.
I won that round. It's best out of 3. So it's 1-0 to me. Now we're just gonna have to pause it here for a quick reload break.
Right, so guys, we shall see you all later. Bye.